Hello, today we're discussing about single phase full bridge inverter. So previous class we're discussing inverter introduction, classifications and single phase of bridge inverter operations. Now we have to discuss the operation of single phase full bridge inverter. So now let us see the circuit diagram. In single phase full bridge means the circuit consists of 4 thyristors and 4 diodes. So T1 where D1 is connected across T1 and D2 is connected across T2 and D3 is connected across D3 and D4 is connected across D4. So that is each diode is connected across each thyristor, that is anti-parallel. Okay, you know the purpose why you connected diode across each thyristor, where the load is connected here, resistor load or inductive load. Okay, it is DC supply. Single phase full bridge inverter. Full bridge means there is a 4 thyristors T1, T2, T3, T4, diodes, 4 diodes D1, D2, D3, D4, and here the load is connected. It is plus minus or plus minus. So depends upon the conductions, depends upon the carrying path is given to T1, T2 or T3, T4. Due to that conditions, the voltage is positive or negative. Okay. In this inverter, we are getting output voltage. This output voltage is double of to that of single phase half bridge inverter. So in case of single phase half bridge inverter, the output voltage V0 is equal to sigma n is equal to 1, 3, 5 and so on infinity. 2 is by n pi into sin and omega t. But in case of single phase full bridge, what I'm saying, double of, that is 4 Vs by n pi. 4 Vs by n pi into sin and omega t. So double of price of that of single phase half bridge inverter. Now let us see the operation of, let us see the waveforms. So it is IZ1, IZ2, IZ3, IZ4, and these are the output voltage waveforms. So why we given for IZ1, IZ2 means there is a the output voltage positive, that is we are getting two output voltage positive. During that conditions there is two devices, that is T1, T2 trigger. T1, T2 is trigger. So that's why I'm taken as two gate currents IZ1, IZ2, and it is for IZ3 and IZ4. So here the operation of single phase full bridge inverter, there is a four modes type. So let us take first mode. The voltage become positive when SAR T1, T2 are turned on at the same time. See, T1, T2 is turned on, the load voltage is positive. So VDC plus, the current path is VDC plus T1, load T2 and VDC minus. Clear? First mode is what? The pairing path is given to T1 thyristor, T2 thyristor. So T1, T2 will on state, means it acts as a short circuit, these two switches. So the current path is like this, T1, load, T2 and VDC minus. It is the first mode. Coming to second mode, by using forced combination, T1, T2 will be turned off. T1, T2 will be turned off. So where D3, D4 comes in conduction mode, that is these two diodes are forward biased. So the current path is like this. Current path is like this. VDC minus, D4, load, D3 and VDC plus. So by connecting T1, D2 positive pulse, by connecting D3, D4 negative pulse. Clear? It is one cycle. It is second mode. Coming to third mode means by firing pulses to T3, T4. So T3, T4 will be starts connecting. It acts as a short circuit. The current path is VDC plus T3 load T4 and VDC minus. Again, one more positive pulse. By applying forced combination to the T3, T4 switches, automatically these two thyristors will be turned off. Then D1, D2 will be turns on. So the current path is VDC minus D2 load D1 VDC plus negative pulse. So finally, what we concluded, there is a 4 modes of operation of single phase full bridge inverter. In first mode, T1, T2 trigger. Second mode, D3, D4. Third mode, T3, T4. Fourth mode, D1, D2. So like that, we are getting waveforms like this. Here, T1, T2 is trigger. Here, D3, D4. Here, T3, T4. Here, D1, D2. Again, T1, D2. So like that, we are getting as output voltage. Okay. See, first mode, T1, T2 is trigger. The voltage like this. Okay. Second mode, D3, D4. The voltage waveform like this. Current path. Third mode, T3, T4. VDC plus T3 load T4. Fourth mode, VDC minus D2 load D1. So these are the 4 modes of operation of single phase full bridge generator. Okay. So finally, what we say that the output voltage of the single phase full bridge inverter is double to that of single phase off bridge inverter. So this is a operation of single phase full bridge inverter. So the output voltage value is average output voltage single phase full bridge inverter is V0 is equal to sigma n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5 and so on infinity 4 into Vs by n by into sin n omega t. So it is the calculation of average output voltage of single phase full bridge inverter. Thank you.